Hello, literature lovers. Today we are going to discuss medieval drama or theatre. So, medieval theatre comprises theatrical performance in the period between the fall of Western Roman Empire in 5th century and the beginning of Renaissance in approximately the 15th century. The medieval theatre covers all drama produced in Europe over that thousand-year period and refers to a variety of genres, including liturgical drama, mystery plays, morality plays, farces, and masks. Don't worry, we are going to discuss it in detail here only. Now, beginning with Rotsuatha of Gandershim in the 10th century, medieval drama was the most part very religious and moral in its themes, staging, and traditions. The most famous examples of medieval plays are the English cycle dramas, the York Mystery Plays, the Chester Mystery Plays, the Wakefield Mystery Plays, and the Endtown Plays, as well as the morality play Everyman. This one is quite famous. One of the first surviving secular plays in England is the interlude of the student and the girl. Due to a lack of surviving records and texts, a low literacy rate of general population, and the opposition of the clergy to some types of performance, and there are few surviving sources on medieval drama of the early and high medieval periods. However, by the late period, drama and theatre begin to become more secularized, and a large number of records survive documenting plays and performances. Faced with the problem of explaining a few religion to a largely illiterate population, churches in early Middle Ages began staging dramatized versions of particular biblical events on specific days of the year. The dramatizations were included in order to vivify annual celebrations, symbolic objects, and actions recalled the events which Christian ritual celebrates. These were extensive sets of visual signs that could be used to communicate with a large illiterate audience. These performances developed into liturgical dramas, the earliest of which is the Whom Do You Seek? Easter troupe during dating from CA 925. That's all for today. I hope you must have got an overall perspective. Thanks for being part of the. Don't forget to smash the red subscribe button to be interconnected with us. It's a token of appreciation from your side. I hope you have got an overall perspective of the work. Do share your views in the comment section. Talk about your personal experiences and while reading the books. Keep reading, keep studying. That's the only way of living life to make yourself alive and more interactive. And keep discussing your thoughts with your fellow readers. Literature is a medium which will not only enlighten you but also give life to your deeds. That's all for today. Thanks for being part of it.